Okay, just here in my little kayak. So there's those rock-like things. Oh, I don't know what that is. It just went underneath. Is it a beaver? I think I'd be getting splashed right now if it was a beaver. There's another one over there. It's not one of the grebes that are constantly around here. They come up and down from the... That right there. That. I try to get close to it. Yeah. You can tell, but it's moving. Bloop, there it goes. I don't know if you could see that, but... Oh, it is a beaver! Oh, look at that little guy right there. Look at that little guy. They're little beavers or something. Oh. Hello. Which means I should probably get out of here before they start deciding to splash me. Because that's what beavers do. Yeah, I must be like right next to their, like little, I'd like to call it a nest, but dams is, yeah, their homes are dams, right? Oh, there was a little one right next to me. I'm sorry I scared you. Yeah, I think this is beaver territory. Oh, but that's just so cool. So cool that they're just like scattered all over that area. Is it? Yeah. There's a grebe. I don't know what kind of grebe, but it's a grebe. They also kind of plop underwater and then they come up after a minute or two. There's like a mama and a baby out here, and the mama's yelling at the baby. Kind of funny. I wonder if I can't get semi-close to them. See, and then it just... Oh, I shouldn't try to do this with one hand. I'm not that skilled. Okay. Oh, I want one of them to go under. Anyway. Oh, there's one. Hello. Bloop. Then he goes under. And who knows where he's gonna pop up. Probably over there. Oh, I think that was him. Yeah, long distance. Long distance if you think about it. Anyway, I think that's it for now. Could you see that? I kind of wonder. There's another one. Yeah. Oh man, that went right next to me. Oh, I'm so glad I got that on camera at least. Well, I'm gonna stop filming my leg. Try to, at least. And yeah.